What's up, guys? It's Knights Templar back here with Operation Red Cloud. This is turn 5.2 and 5.3. CCP and the Soviets. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into it. So just to let you guys know, for the rail here, since I'm not at war with a major power, I don't get the +2 bonus. So yeah, no big deal. So we've got $2. We're not going to do anything with it. We're just going to save it. But we do have one combat move, which was caught by surprise. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So 3 mountain, and we'll do 3 cavalry and 2 infantry are going to go into Sikang against 1 cavalry and 1 infantry. So yeah, okay. Let's do some combat real quick. There's no first strike. So yeah, okay. So we're gonna do, we'll have 6 at 2. And then we'll have 2 at 1. So there's 6 and then 2. All right, let's go ahead and roll it. We got 1 hit, 2 hits, and we missed there. So we did get the 2 hits that we needed. All right, his rebuttal, cavalry. That's a miss. Infantry, and that's a miss. That's a 12. So took no casualties. Okay, so we take it with 3 mountain, 3 cavalry, and 2 infantry. Cool. All right, non-combat. We're gonna move this artillery from Sikang to Shanghai. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's do our influence for Yunnan, and we need a 1. So let's go ahead and roll it. That's a 9, missed it. Recruitment roll at a 5. And we hit that with a 2. So we got it. Cool. So I'll go ahead and put an infantry here in Shanghai. So let's go ahead and collect our income. So we collect 2 for Senshi, and we save 2, so we'll have 4 next turn. And then, so disposition of forces real quick. Shanghai will have 4 infantry and an artillery. Sikang will have 3 cavalry, 3 mountain, and 2 infantry. So that's what we got. All right, now on to the Soviet turn. We have $15 to spend. We're going to lend lease CCP and artillery for 4. We're going to buy 2 artillery for 8. So that's 12. And then we're going to save 3. So, yep. All right, let's go ahead and get into non-combat. The 7 infantry from Kiev are going to move to western Ukraine. The 2 light armor are going to move 1, 2 into Kiev, as well as the motorized. The coastal sub over here is going to move from M2 to A44. The heavy cruiser and the destroyer are going to move just 1 to join the fleet here. The sub here that's an A7 is going to go 1, 2, 3. is going to join the fleet here in A14. The torpedo boat destroyer is going to use the Baltic White Sea Canal and is just going to move one to join that fleet there. So, and then up here, we're going to move 2 infantry from Karelia up to Kola. And then we're going to move 2 artillery up to Karelia. Okay. We'll also move 1 infantry from Leningrad to Karelia. And then we'll have 1 infantry left over in Leningrad, a militia and a seaplane. So, okay. I think that does it. I think that's pretty much it. We go ahead and place our units. So the 2 artillery are going to go in Leningrad here. Okay. And then we're going to lend-lease our CCP artillery. So we're going to go through Moscow, through Novosibirsk, through the rail here into Xikyang. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And then we'll go ahead and collect our income, and I'll do a disposition of forces. So we're at 13. We're at 13, we saved 3, so we should have 16 left for next term. So $16. All right, let's do a recruitment roll for Mongolia. We need a 4 or less. That's an 8, missed it. And let's do a disposition of forces real quick. So here in Kola, I've got 2 infantry. Here in Karelia, I've got 4 infantry and 2 artillery. Here in Leningrad, I've got 1 infantry, 2 artillery, a militia, and a seaplane. This fleet here that I have is 4 submarines, 1 torpedo boat destroyer, 3 destroyers, 1 light cruiser, 1 heavy cruiser. So that's what we got there. So that's pretty much all the changes that were made. And then that coastal sub over there in A44. But, all right, so we'll kick it over to Crooked Leg for turn 5.4. Thanks.